In this video tutorial, you will learn how to change your WordPress theme. The appearance of your WordPress website is determined by your WordPress theme. WordPress themes provide the layout, color, page, and post design, and other important visual aspects that make your website appealing to your audience. There are some points you should consider when you choose your theme. First is the theme layout. Your new WordPress theme that you want to change to should be able to display all the elements on your website. The second thing you should consider is the mobile responsiveness. The majority of internet users access websites with their mobile devices. If your theme is not mobile responsive, you will need a new theme that is suitable for the modern mobile online presence. The third thing you should consider is cross-browser compliance. You should choose a theme that displays well on all the major browsers. And lastly, importance of plugin compatibility when changing the WordPress theme. The new theme should work well with all active plugins. If the theme is not compatible with your WordPress plugins, then you shouldn't use it. Next, you should carry out some checks on your WordPress website too before changing your theme. The first is to back up your website. Whether you encounter problems while switching WordPress themes or not, it is recommended that you make a backup of all your WordPress files and database. Next, take note of the custom code and CSS. Walk through the files and take note of every custom code that was added to your theme to improve your website's functionality. Copy them out so that you may transfer them to the new theme files. And third, transfer your tracking information before you change the WordPress theme. If you had added tracking and analytics codes to your site, you should locate and copy them out. The code is to be transferred to the new theme to retain Google's tracking service after the switch. I will teach you two methods that you can use to install a new theme. First is by choosing a new theme from the WordPress theme. Second is by uploading the theme from your computer. Let's start with the first method. In your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, then click on Add New. You can either browse through all the themes in the WordPress theme directory, or you can search for a particular theme by typing its name here. When you find a theme you like, hover over it and you get an option to install it. Click on Install to start the installation process. You should not immediately activate the theme you just installed. Instead, do a preview of the theme by clicking here. This will let you see the appearance and workability of the theme. Then you can click here to activate the theme. You can also download premium themes and upload them to your website. To do that, click on Appearance on your dashboard, then click on Add New. Now, click here to upload a theme. Click on Browse to select the file from your computer. Then click on Install Now to start the installation. After the installation is complete, click here to preview the theme. Once you are satisfied with the appearance and workability of the theme, click here to activate the theme. You can switch between your installed themes anytime you want. To do that, go to Appearance in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Themes. All the themes that you have installed on your website will be here. Simply locate your theme and click on Activate. And that's it. This is how you can change your WordPress theme. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.